Hey everyone, welcome to Sheeba's Cookery World. In today's video we will see how to make pepper chicken. It is a typical Kerala style recipe and it goes extremely well with almost everything, be it rice, roti, chapati or even appam. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. To begin with, pour some coconut oil into a pan. Once the oil turns hot, add in some mustard seeds and wait until they splutter. Next goes in some dry red chillies. Saute them until they turn slightly brown. Next we will add some fresh coconut pieces. This gives a nice flavor to the pepper chicken. Saute this and then we will add in some fresh curry leaves. Next goes in some chopped shallots. Saute them until they turn slightly soft. I will now add some crushed garlic and also some crushed ginger. Saute this very well until the raw smell is gone. Next add in some slit green chilies. I have used 4 chilies, but if you want it to be more spicy, you can add more green chilies. I have sliced 2 big onions. I'm gonna add them next. Now saute this on a medium flame. Add in some salt as per your taste. If you want, you can add more of shallots and just 1 big onion. The shallots give a very nice taste when compared to the onions. Now we will continue frying the onions until they turn slightly brown. Next we will add in the powders. Firstly some turmeric powder, followed by coriander powder, some fennel powder and some garam masala. You can also use chicken masala instead. Now saute all of these really well until the raw smell is gone. I have some freshly ground black pepper. I will add that next. Saute this again for a couple of minutes. Next we will add in the chicken. I'm using boneless chicken here, but you can also use chicken with bone. Now we will coat the chicken really well with this masala. Cover this with a lid and we will cook the chicken on a medium flame. I've taken some thin and thick coconut milk over here. First I will add in the thin coconut milk. We will continue cooking the chicken in this. The coconut milk imparts a very good flavor to the pepper chicken. So I've cooked the chicken for around 20 to 25 minutes now. It has absorbed all of the thin coconut milk and is all well cooked. Now we will add in the thick coconut milk. We will just cook this for a couple of minutes and turn off the flame. As a final step, we will add in some more crushed black pepper, some coconut oil and lots of fresh curry leaves. Give this a real good mix and your pepper chicken is ready to be served. It is very easy to prepare this pepper chicken and is extremely flavorful. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon for notification of new videos.